We're going to cut across to our reporters this morning. Bihar, with its 243 seats, is finally going to vote. The state voted in two phases and ever since independence has recorded a bumper voting turnout. What will it come down to? That's the big question. Will Nitish Kumar be sworn in as take oath as the 10th time where Bihar Chief Minister is concerned? Will Nitish Kumar be sworn in for the 5th time as the Chief Minister of Bihar? Or will Tejasvi Yadav, the challenger from the Mahagathbandhan, be able to edge out the NDA? What comes of Prashant Kishore? Will it be Arsh or will it be Farsh? All of that coming up, like I said, viewers, over the course of the next few hours. Let's cut across to our band of reporters this morning. Joining me is my colleague Piyush and Amit Bhardwaj. Both of them joining us. If we can get where they are from our PCR. All right, Piyush, can you tell us where exactly you are? On a very good morning. Counting to begin shortly. It's 6 a.m., bright and early. The NDA fancies its chances, especially after the exit polls predict a clear edge for the NDA.
Well, that's right, Preeti. Multiple exit polls have predicted a clear edge for NDA. And right now I'm present at the BJP headquarters. And remember that BJP this time is trying its best to have... Yes, I'm at BJP headquarters, Preeti, and BJP this time has tried its best to, get more and more numbers to get NDA in its favor. And we have heard Home Minister Amit Shah telling multiple times that, this time NDA is going to get more than 160 seats. And for that, BJP office is also ready. The doors of the gates of BJP headquarters have now been opened. And let us tell to our viewers that there are various issues on which BJP has fought elections. The biggest one was on this phase. बीजेपी भाजपा और एनडीए का विजन है जब बिहार आगे बढ़ेगा तभी देश आगे बढ़ेगा and there is photograph of PM Narendra Modi and after that we have Nitish Kumar and various other leaders of NDA and you can see how this entire headquarters of BJP has a lot of posters which is talking about development, which is talking about Jungle Raj, which is talking about the promises those were made, and the biggest point on which BJP has fought elections, in fact collectively NDA has fought election, is this. I would ask my video journalist to pan his camera and show you how it is mentioned here. नहीं भूलेंगे जंगल राज 1990 से 2005 15 साल में 18,186 हत्याएं. So this is what the BJP has been highlighting during its course of campaign. But there are some issues which a Mahagathbandhan has also raised. There are 243 seats in fray where Mahagathbandhan is very much hopeful that anti-incumbency, ill health of Nitish Kumar and the government which has failed on many promises, these factors could somewhere help Mahagathbandhan to get majority. On the other side, NDA is very much hopeful that the kind of promises which it made, be it about the 10,000 scheme or Vidya pension scheme or the promises those were told to the people have been fulfilled. So on all these things, NDA is very much hopeful, and also on this combination, the combination of Panch Pandav, which BJP has been talking about, of Narendra Modi, Nitish Kumar, Upendra Kushwaha, Jitaram Manji, and then we have Chirag Paswan. So these Panch Pandavs Jodi is now going to do magic for them. That's what the NDA is also feeling. But we'll have to wait and watch how the people are going to vote. Yes, there are many exit polls who have predicted a huge victory for NDA. In few minutes from now, the counting will begin, and then we were hearing a very important song, very interesting song, Jia O Bihar Ke Lala, and we'll have to see if the people are going to dance to the tune.
Well, depends, especially the who will be GRA Bihar Ke Lala. But with what you just said, I want to ask you a quick question as I bring in Amit Bhardwaj, who's outside Chirag Paswan's residence. The LJP last time had proven to be a vote cutter where it fought mostly against the JDU, now with the NDA. But Piyush, usually with what we have seen, results in Bihar can be very unpredictable. You are at the BJP headquarters in Patna. The last time around, I think many remember the 2015 elections, celebrations, laddus, everything had started at the BJP headquarters and that election had turned. Right now, tepid, what are leaders doing there? Is there now waiting at least for the first few hours before the laddu box is cracked open?
Well, Laddu preparations are not going on because all leaders this time of NDA are sitting at their homes, crossing finger. They are completely glued at TV screens. They are looking at the first, numbers to come, and after that itself, we will see them to come out of the houses. At that moment, as we are speaking, the headquarters is completely deserted. Only media persons can be clearly seen here because they are here to report. So no BJP worker, no BJP leader is right now present here. Yes, the gates have been opened of BJP headquarters, and like you rightly mentioned that yes, last time it was Chirag Paswan.
You're right, Piyush. Everyone this time around is going to wait, and at least for the next first few hours for the results to firm up, because viewers, one thing we all understand, Bihar has been a highly unpredictable state, especially when it comes to exit polls. Rarely has any exit poll come close to what the actual result has been.